नमो सेन्धाणं नमो आयर्याणं नमो वज्झायाणं नमो लोये सवसाहुणम् ऐसो पंच नमो यारो सव पावपणासिनो मंगलाणं च सवसिं परमं होई मंगलम्।
ચૈતન્યની ચેતનાને ચેતનવંતુ રાખવાનું ધામ, ચૈતન્ય ધામ, the divine purpose. Chaitanya Dham has been developed with an aim of promoting and keeping alive till the end of Pancham Kal the supreme message of becoming Paramatma from Atma, described by Jain Bhagwans, written by Sri Kund Kund Acharya Dev in 84 Pahuds, and elaborated and well explained by Pujya Sadguru Dev, Sri Kanji Swami. This is an effort by Sri Betalis Dasha Hummar Digambar Jain Mumukshu Samaj, which was inspired by Dharmaratna Pandit Sri Babulal Chunilal Mehta. Spread in a large area of over 10 acres and well situated on NH8 with just 38 kilometers away from Ahmedabad, 40 kilometers from Himmatnagar. It is also easily connected to Tarangaji, 150 kilometers, Songarh, 240 kilometers, Palitana, 270 kilometers, Girnarji, 350 kilometers. Since its Panch Kalyanak Pratishtha on 3rd December 2008, it has grown in stature as a divine destination for the Digambar Jain Society. The journey inside the world of Chaitanya Dham is equally enchanting, with daily activities like Prakshad, Nitya Niyam Pujan, Pujya Sadguru Dev, Sri Kanji Swami CD Pravachan, other Vidwan Pravachan and Bhakti. Let's take you through the activities that keep Chaitanya Dham live and prosperous. Young couple Shibir up to 40 years in April every year. Adhyatmik Bal Shikshan Shibir for the children of 8 to 14 years every year in the month of May. Janma Jayanti of Pujya Sadguru Dev Sri Kanji Swami every year. General Shibir for Mumukshu in August every year. Das Lakshana Paryushan Mahaparva celebration. Celebration of Nirvan Kalyanak of Sri Mahavir Bhagwan on Diwali. First time ever initiated Shibir for women in November every year by Chaitanya Dham. Pratishtha Divas ceremony celebration around 3rd December every year. Shikshan Prashikshan Shibir for gents in December every year. Looking at the atmosphere and facilities available at Chaitanya Dham, Mumukshus from various locations of India willingly come to Chaitanya Dham with an aim of conducting their own Shibir and religious programs in campus relating to Vidhan, Pujan and Swadhyay for Atma Kalyan. Apart from this, various Prasangik Pujan and Vidhan are also conducted here regularly. With all the regular activities going on, around 80,000 people take benefits at Chaitanya Dham every year. Reverberating with divine and spiritual energy, visit to Chaitanya Dham is an experience in spiritual evolution and discovering inner bliss. Let's visit landmark places that define Chaitanya Dham. Jinalaya. A serene and vast expanse of over 8,000 square feet area of Jinalaya is the core of this divine destination. Apart from Jinalaya, the upper portion of temple houses Birajman Vartaman Chauvisi, and also the Shikhar has a space where the Jin Pratimas of nearby temples, where the population of Jains have diminished, can be taken care of with daily Prakshad and Pujan. Idols. Idols are the soul of Jinalaya. While entering, we find a tall pratima of Pujya Sadgurudev Sri Kanji Swami, which sets the peace in mind upon entering the Chaitanya Dham campus. What truly sets this Jinalaya apart is divinely mesmerizing idol of Sri Mahavir Bhagwan. First time ever in India, an idol of Sri Mahavir Bhagwan of 71 inches in the posture of Padmasana is made of the blend of 5 metals called Panchadhatu. This aside the pratima of Sri Simandar Bhagwan and Sri Parshvanath Bhagwan in posture of Padmasana of 61 inches. Pratima of Sri Neminath Bhagwan and Sri Shantinath Bhagwan in posture of Khadgasana of 65 inches. And 9 inches pratima of Sri Adinath Bhagwan and Sri Chandraprabha Bhagwan are also divinely inspirational. Swadhyay Bhavan. Spread over 10,000 square feet of area, this hall is fully equipped with finest audio-visual technology to deliver audience the best audio-visual experience in their spiritual quest. Vidvat Nivas. Well-planned and designed Vidwan accommodation area. Visitors accommodation. The separate accommodation facility with AC and non-AC rooms for visitors and devotees makes their stay memorable. Dining hall. Fully equipped with best-in-class cooking facilities to maintain uncompromising standards in quality of food, hygiene, cleanliness and nutrition. Chaitanya Vidyaniketan. Started in 2012, Chaitanya Vidyaniketan has a capacity of 100 students, providing complete free-of-cost facilities for students like accommodation, food, transport to school, well-equipped computer room, religious preachings. Students go through the daily schedule of exercise and yoga. Prakshal, Puja, Gurudev CD Pravachan, Bhakti, Vidwan Pravachan and student Pravachan on daily basis. Strategically located admin office with efficient office staff ensure hassle-free governance of the enclave. Additional features like meeting rooms to hold important discussions and other forms of interactions. Entire campus is covered with high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity. There is a health center to cater to the basic medical needs of devotees and nearby villagers. To engage kids with fun and play, there is a dedicated space created for them. Large parking area deals with enormous parking requirement. 24/7 surveillance through the watchful eyes of CCTV cameras ensures foolproof security. No wonder with all the facilities and infrastructure, the place has been emerging as an icon of divine inspiration and sense of great pride for the entire Digambar Jain Samaj. The flawless governance of Chaitanya Dham is a result of supremely dedicated and devoted team of founding and lead trustee committee members. Chaitanya Dham intends to continue providing this level of facilities and add to the endeavor and also governed and guided by the divine and inspirational message of Sri Kund Kund Acharya Dev and Adhyatma Murti Pujya Sadgurudev Sri Kanji Swami. Your valued contribution towards maintenance and development of Chaitanya Dham will be your mark of faith and dedication to this divine destination. So show your generous devotion through your precious contribution towards the corpus of Chaitanya Dham. Chaitanya ni chetna ne chetan vantu rakhvanu dham. Chaitanya Dham. The divine purpose.